So, you're now watching me on the new camera, the Pannasonic HDC-SD90 camcorder, without the microphone on. Well, it's off. The microphone has been taken off the camera, so I can just show you the sound quality out the camera as well as the resolution. And it's very good in low light, I can tell you that. But it looks a bit grainy. Yeah. But anyway, this is video footage out of it. And sorry if my hand appears very shaky, because it's very hard to hold this camera very still as I can. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.